In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check LinkedIn password 2025. If you've saved your LinkedIn login in your web browser, you can view it securely using the built-in password tools. This walkthrough is for checking a password you already stored. It won't reset or change anything on your LinkedIn account. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer. Once it's up, look to the top right corner for the menu icon, the three vertical dots. Click that to open the browser menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to the controls that manage how your browser handles privacy, sign-ins, and saved information. On the settings page, locate the section called Passwords and Autofill. This is where your browser keeps track of usernames and passwords you've chosen to save, along with options for automatic sign-in. Next, select Google Password Manager. This dashboard shows the credentials your browser has stored for different sites. It reads from your local device, and if you use a Google account with Sync, from your sync data as well. Keep in mind only passwords you previously saved will appear here. Now scroll through the list and look for LinkedIn. You may see it under linkedin.com. If there's a search field at the top, typing LinkedIn can help you find it faster. Click the LinkedIn entry to open the saved login details. You'll see the username or email that was stored and a hidden password field represented by dots. Before you can reveal the password, your computer will ask you to verify your identity for security. On Windows, that's typically your device password or another sign-in method you already use. This step prevents other people from viewing your passwords if they have temporary access to your computer. After verification, click Show Password. The hidden characters change to readable text so you can confirm or copy your current LinkedIn password. Be mindful of who can see your screen and avoid saving it in unsecured notes or screenshots. Finally, keep your password secure going forward. Protect your device and browser with strong, unique credentials, and consider using a reputable password manager to generate and store complex passwords. Avoid reusing the same password across multiple accounts. Explore features like two-step verification on LinkedIn for an extra layer of protection, and sign out of shared or public computers when you're done. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.